And now, bayan ng Ibañez, let's witness the amazing basketball game, championship game 2 match between Amuan and Sonfor. And now, to start the game, let's meet your starters from Barangay Zone 4, jersey number 20, Anga, jersey number 25, Abad, and jersey number 12, Abad. Para naman sa Amuan, jersey number 6, Escobar, jersey number 28, Escobar, jersey number 13, Bernal, jersey number 15, Manad, and jersey number 22, Martin. Good team, good luck. Zone 4 Sagaban Hood and Fly High Amuan, good luck. May the best man win. Or may the best team win. Alright, we're ready. We're ready. Let's get it on. Jump ball between Bernal and Abad. The ball is up. It's re-jump. Head ball. Okay, the ball is up. The time is start. Bakbakan na! Eto, umarapad na kagad ang Benson, pero out of the centerboard. Looking for receiver. Tumanaran. Back to Escobar. Escobar, leader shot. Tuloy sa gitna. Wala para Escobar. Out of bounds, ball possession. Zone 4. Abad now, inbounding the ball to Bundang. Bundang pa rin. Bundang. Yobad. Abad na sa tulan. Escobar now. Patingin-tingin pa. Escobar. Overshoot. Rebound para Yobad. Eto na, signal lightning kid. Bundang. To silent assassin. Titira sa tres. Wala para kay Benson. Rebound para Escobar. Escobar now. Almost still. Eto na po pa rin. Recovers by Escobar. Escobar na isa. Headline. Rebound para Yobad. Abad to Benson. Benson now to the court general. Mid-range jumper. Rebound on Benson.